Look, everybody, last box of the NT case, second case of the night, box 27. More patch cards, nice. We have 4 total patch cards in 3 boxes. Tight. It's tight. It's a good base card. We got 2 patches, 3. One, I'm going to make sure that we only have 1 base. We got 1 base card. I'm sorry, 2 base. It's only 2 base. Screw this up. First one is Dennis Scott for the Magic. Just like the patch card. 60 of 99, and we got Derrick Rose for the Bulls. Good luck, everybody. Last 8 hits coming. Derrick Rose is 25 of 99. We started off with one of our patches. Pretty nice. Oh, it's really freaking nice. Marco, you asked for a good break with the Lakers, and you got one. Look at that. Just like the Lamar. Kobe, 13 to 25 timeline disgustingness right there. Sick. That's nice. 13 to 25. That's sick. Alright, and we got Evan Turner, triple jersey. Sixers. Kobe's filthy. Oh, that's nice. Patrick Ewing for the Knicks, 19 of 99 jersey. Also for the Knicks, Tony Douglas timeline jersey, number to 99. The BT, we got 3 hits. A couple back-to-back Knickerbockers. 4 cards left. Good luck to you. Here we go. First one is for the Bobcats. DJ Augustine jersey autograph. Number 59 of 99. Clyde actually ended up with 2 hits. So far, at least. Bobcats and Magic. Look at that. Then we got a Colossal 22 of 49 of Evan Turner. Nice. Colossal jersey autograph. Evan Turner for the Sixers. Nice card there. 2 more. We got an NBA gear first. And it's Landry Fields. Look at that. Oh, Thomas, that one's sick. I've never gotten a patch like that on it. That's sick. Landry Fields, dual patch with a K or something. Pretty sick. Numbered 42 out of 49. And we got the RPA to finish. I think. Oh, it's a redemption. Sorry. It is an RPA, but it is a redemption. Damn it. Card 222, Damian James. Damian James. For the Nets. Finally. Wow, who got the Nets this time? Alex G. Wow. Finally fucking hit one. For the Nets. Damian James. That's it for the case. Thanks for watching. Peace.